oath as ministers in the Eknath Shinde BJP government in Maharashtra on 2nd July 2023. Unilaterally and without authority, the respondents declared Shri Ajit Pawar as the president of the NCP on 30th June 2023. Unilaterally and without authority, the respondents declared Shri Ajit Pawar as the leader of the legislature party in the Maharashtra State Legislative Assembly on 30th June 2023. The respondents attempted to continue a chief whip who had been removed as a member of the NCP for indulging in anti-party activities. The respondents attempted to create confusion by opening party office without authority. Without any authority, the respondents called an open national convention on 5th July 2023 to ratify the illegal decisions on 30th June 2023. The respondents tendered affidavits in support of Shri Ajit Pawar's anti-party activities. The principal ground on which the disqualification is sought is that by joining the government on 2nd June 2023, the respondent number 1 to 9 is in disqualification petition number 1 of 2023, and by supporting the said action of respondent number 1 of to 9, the other respondents in disqualification petition number 3 and 4 of 2023 have gone against the will of the NCP political party and thereby incurred disqualification under paragraph 2(1)(a) of the 10th schedule of the Constitution. All other grounds are allied grounds arising out of the said principal grounds. In view of my finding that the Ajit Pawar faction was the real political party when the rival factions emerged within the NCP, respondents cannot be held to be disqualified on any of these grounds, as the decision of Ajit Pawar faction constituted the will of NCP political party. Consequently, the disqualification petition number 1, 3 and 4 of 2023 are liable to be dismissed. In view of my findings that Ajit Pawar faction was the real NCP political party when the rival factions emerged, the respondents cannot be held to be disqualified for grounds recorded in paragraph 76(a) and (b). Even otherwise, irrespective of my conclusions about which faction was the real political party, for the reasons recorded herein below, the respondents cannot be held to be disqualified on the grounds recorded in paragraph 76. Irrespective of my conclusions on the real political party, in my considered opinion, none of the averments, contentions or pleadings raised by the petitioner, especially grounds C to H recorded in paragraph 76 herein above, fall within the ambit of paragraph 2(1)(a) of the 10th schedule of the Constitution. It is necessary to understand the scope and object of the said provisions of the 10th schedule of the Constitution. The object underlying the said provision was to curb the evil of political defection motivated by various considerations which endanger the foundations of our democracy. What is to be noted is that 10th schedule is intended only for the purpose of prohibiting and punishing defections, and that too with the objective of preserving the foundations of democracy. I am pained to observe that in the present matter, when the facts, circumstances and evidence are viewed, the misuse of the provisions of 10th schedule by political parties becomes apparent. It appears that the initiation of the proceedings is not to prevent maverick and irresponsible defection or to call an errant member to book. It is to suppress dissent within the party and open a new direction in the political tussle for power. The attempt is to stretch the provisions of 10th schedule to suit private objectives of individuals or parties rather than prevent the harm that is caused to elective democracy itself. In the facts and circumstances brought before me, it is necessary to consider the cardinal question: does every act of a member of the legislature that may be described as defiance or dissent or behavior of group of members of the legislative party in the House that goes against some other group within their own party falls within the meaning of the term defection under paragraph 2 of the 10th schedule? as the speaker and even as the elected representative, as an elected representative, I witness the daily churning